Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log in with Immersity AI. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to immersity.ai, and once you're there you should be met with a screen similar to this. What you're looking for is up at the top right hand corner. You'll either see the option to sign in or try now. We're going to go ahead and click try now, as this is the first time we have logged in, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And here it's going to give you the option to either sign in with your email and create a password, or you can sign in with Google. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google and just click a couple buttons here. And here we have to read and accept the terms and confirm. And then we'll just hit OK on that. And now we have successfully logged in with Immersity AI. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.